Okay, I think we're recording now. We are recording. I thought I would come in real quick and do an unboxing from the Fat Quarter Shop. I received a sampler. This is a monthly prescription. I think it's about $35 a month, $34.95, so $34, $35. Um, if you're not in the subscription, sometimes Fat Quarter Shop, and I'll put a link below, has extra boxes, but those will cost more. Those will be like $50. But anyway, what did we get for the month of October? Let us open it up and see what we got. This is a Sew Sampler Patchwork October, and it is the Prairie. So this is by Melissa Gilbertson. Is that her name? The girl that did who was Laura on Little House on the Prairie. She is now a quilt and fabric designer. So this must have some of her stuff. And in these, you get this is the cover part of the box, and it gives you some ideas, quilt ideas, and a promo code for discount on fabrics. I can't show that to you because you could use it if you were naughty. All right, what else is in here? This is the little paper that tells you everything that's in here. Let's just go off of that. Pie Safe, Evening on the Prairie, a junior 10-inch stacker. So here's the 10-inch stacker. 10-inch stacker is like a layer cake. Let's open it. Why don't I wish I had nails. I don't have nails. Okay, take that off and yep, there she is. There's 24 pieces in this. So, and then there's a bow. Let's just cut the bow off. Let's cut the cute little bow off. Bow cut. And let's see what they are. So there's 10-inch fabrics, and let's look at them. Let's look at a few of them. There's that. And this is Evening on the Prairie. That's the fabric line. There's two like that. Some blenders. More blenders. And so you get like 24 of those. And so that's a pretty good deal. I like that. What else is in the box? It's all the fabric. Add a quarter ruler. So like if you're doing foundation paper piecing, this is a good ruler to have so that you can add a quarter as you're going along. And there is a sewing magnet mate. That's cool. Holly, good. That's a good idea. So like, let's say you drop pins on the floor. Oh, this is pretty hefty. And you don't want to step on them, or you don't want your dog to step on them, because that wouldn't be good, or your cat, if you have kitties. And it's telescoping. So if you're old like me and can't really bend, or you can bend or get down, but then getting up is is comical. Sometimes not possible. So here's what it's pretty. It's got a nice handle, and it expands. That's pretty good. It's telescoping. Let's see. I have some pins. Let's see if it'll pick it up. Yep. So it picks up the pins. So that's a cool little tool. What's even cooler is I dropped one on the floor and got it picked up. Okay, you go over there. So that was the Magnet Mate. And how much? So the Magnet Mate retails for $12.98. The Junior 10-inch stacker values is $22.98. Then there's some foundation paper piecing by It's So Emma, and that's Square and a Square, which maybe, and then a Pie Safe table runner. The foundation paper piecing retails for $9.98. The pattern retails for $9.98, and this is, you could do a table runner. So with all the fabric that's in the box, I can make a table runner, or what's it? Or like a lap quilt. So there's 24 squares. So for the, let me see. That's the table runner pattern. I thought it was going to tell me. Oh, yeah. Then the lap quilt. What's the lap quilt? How many? I could do either the table runner or the lap quilt. Sorry, I'm reading a pattern. So the Junior 10-inch stackers, 24 pieces. So you would need 2 to do the lap quilt. You need 2 junior stackers. So I think I'm going to do the Pie Safe. I'm going to do the table runner. And I think it'll be a giveaway after I'm finished with it, the table runner. So if you're interested in getting a finished table runner by me, put in the comments pie. Just put pie. Shouldn't take too long to do that. I might even do it and record it as I'm doing it. And let's see what else is in here. If you are doing the flowering quilt along, you get block 7. So I have all the blocks, but this is number 7. And what does that retail for? Oh, I don't think it retails for anything yet. The ruler retails for $8.98. The flowering quilt along is $4.98. All right, so that's what came in the box this month. The 1/4 inch add a 1/4 inch. The 5-inch square and a square paper piecing. The flowering block, number 7. The Pie Safe pattern, $9.98. And the pen picker upper. I can't remember what that was, 12 something, I think. So that's what came in that. So I think I will take these and make a table runner. If you would like the table runner or like to be in the running for the table runner, say pie in the comments. I'll use this. I like cream, so I'll use this for the it's cream on cream dots. I don't know if you can see that. I'll use that as the background fabric for that. And thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. That was cool. So another thing I got. The Lori Holt's daughter. Lori Holt is a big fabric designer and quilt designer in the industry with Riley Blake, and her daughter, Grace, or her daughter followed along with her. So I got one of her first patterns. It's called Thread of Grace Sampler. It's a so long, and that's what it looks like. And so I ordered that. There's some of the fabrics. And what else? Then what comes with it, because it's an applique quilt, and I like applique. So I got the Calico Garden So Simple Shapes to do that. So there you go. And then let's see, that's about it. I think I'm going to come on this week, maybe with Cole. Maybe we'll do a live. We were going to do our cross stitch whips, what we have, a whips parade, and then cross stitch kits, already kitted up stuff parade that we're planning on stitching. And because I got my stitching mojo back. And I think that's all I've got for now. So put in the comments pie if you'd like that table runner made up for you. And I'll see you later this week with a cross stitch recording. Have a great day. Bye.